Hey, welcome back, TY Outdoors. I'm here. I'm about to fish one of my favorite public ponds. But before I do, I got to switch up my baitcaster, my main rod, the old lews carbon fire. Yeah, it's about 3 years old. I've got it secondhand, and from 3 years of heavy braid being thrown through it, the eyelets have a groove like perfectly ground into them, and it's just a mess. So I don't know if I can get a good shot of it on the camera. Probably not. Anyways, it's trashed. It's like a couple of the eyelets, but reel's still good. We're gonna keep that. I've gone. Switching up brands. I like lews. Still love them. Still my spinning rod. But I'm gonna try one of these. Where am I at in the camera? Okay. One of these favorite. This is the favorite whitebird. It's the same everything as my carbon fire. It's a lot thinner, which I'm kind of digging. Feels nicer. Um, my last experience with a favorite rod, it was kind of flimsy for me. Oh, this one's nice. I like that. Yeah, that's gonna be a good rod. But yeah, I'm about to rig it up. Hopefully, I catch some fish. We're gonna throw a Texas rig on it like always. Uh, hopefully, I catch some nice bass. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I've been here fishing with the new whitebird. Oh, hey. That's what happens whenever you just let your bait set and not pay attention. It is hot. Ah. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm really liking this rod. I haven't got like any bites except for that one right there that I wasn't paying attention to. Really liking the rod. It really works my Texas rig real nice. Cast real smooth. The eyelets are nice on it. I wish I had a way to mount my phone on my chest so y'all can see the way I'm flipping these lily pads right now. Oh, missed him. God dang. I think they're starting to turn on. Maybe we'll get one on the rod today. Hmm? What do you think? I hope so. This will be a waste of a video if I don't. Oh, it did have it. Look at that. Ripped the one kicker off the old rattling chunk. And unfortunately, this is my last one of these. And that's my go-to. So if I run out of these, I'm done. Maybe. I'll try some other stuff I got here. Get another bite on that. These bugs are horrible today. Jesus Christ. Anyways, definitely recommend the favorites whitebird. If you run a lot of soft plastics and Texas rigs, it's actually that's why I bought it. I read good things about it. I won't lie, but I'm definitely liking. I'm definitely thinking the reviews were spot on. So love this little cork handle. I love cork handles. I'm a sucker for them. We'll see how it holds up. Um, future of fishing. But yeah, rattling chunk on the favorites rod and a Lews Classic Pro. It's a good combination right there. Not too expensive either. I like it. Think it's definitely gonna stay as my main bass rod. Stay tuned for the fish catching.